Hello students and welcome to World History. At the beginning of the class, I will hand out a lesson plan for all of you to read along with a worksheet. But to begin with, let's start on the lesson plan here. So first of all, I want to introduce you to Prezi. This is a format that I've been using and it's very easy. So to start off, we're going to go to present. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to look at the first bubble, which is about the topic that we will be discussing today. Second, if you go to the top right corner with the video image, it's a video about the topic. And the instructional video will be the one that I'm doing right now, as of now, will be in the second bubble. And then the third bubble will be a worksheet that's left there after you've completed the lesson today. So let's go back and let's go to the second bubble. So in the second bubble, we will see that it will give you a breakdown and an explanation of the goals of today. So there's a video on that as well. And the first and second and third are all pertain to the goals that you will be learning today. The third bubble will incorporate what the key topics are. So like the foundations of the civilization, hierarchies, and the human interaction. And as we move along here, the fourth bubble is about the first topic, the foundations for the first civilization, how they came together, etc., etc. And then the fifth topic that we will be discussing, the fifth bubble is the mechanics of a stratified hierarchy and social structure and stuff like that. And the sixth bubble is the human interactions with themselves and the environment, all the complexities in that. And then if there's any questions, you can ask me about it. All the materials that you will be needing will be provided to you and will be handed out to you when you come into class. So in class, I will give you all the instructions and everything. This is just a preset for you to learn and the worksheet for you to consider some of the things. And then when everything is said and done, the lesson plan will be given to you along with the worksheet and all the videos here. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And have a good day.